Hello friends, Assalamu alaikum. How are you all? I hope my all lovely friends fine and good. May Allah bless you and keep smiling. Always be happy in your life. First of all, thank you for spotting me and welcome back my YouTube channel. I want to share crochet article design and I hope you like this video. This video I am sharing handmade embroidery design. So please don't skip the video, watch the video start to end. Please subscribe my YouTube channel and press the bell icon button. You will see new and latest update. All of these designs look great, so find your favorite pattern now. These patterns are beautifully designed and suitable for both beginner and maker. The design for crochet everyday maker. This crochet handmade embroidery designed to make and look stylish and unique on your little one. This crochet handmade embroidery design are having to all fabulous design from easy. This can be as a simple or elaborate as you want. All of these designs look great, unique design for used. The crochet lovers are always searching for cute and unique ideas and plan to work on and get their make shiner more and more. These colorful patterns used on your dresses and baby dresses and on you. This embroidery design are so beautiful and so unique. So here the sweet idea for creating this design of using some custom color and shaded for crochet pattern design. This is a pattern for a beautifully designed this amazing collection for you. If you want more ideas and more decent patterns. Thank you so much guys for watching this video. I hope this video very amazing and helpful for you. So friends, subscribe my YouTube channel and press the bell icon button. You will see new and latest update. So viewers, share this video to your friend and family members. So friends, be connected with me and remember me in your prayer. We will meet you in next video. Take care. Allah Hafiz.